Next, we will have our awarding ceremony. We once again request the presence of our regional director to be assisted by our command group. Citation to read, Regional Order Number R10-RAWD-2025-109, Medalya ng Kasanayan, is hereby conferred to. Once your name is called, please come forward. Pursuant to the BFP Praise, MC number 2024-009, Section 9.4, Paragraph Letter T, as approved by the CSC and BFPR Praise, Resolution number 2025-20, dated 20 October 2025, this Medalya ng Kasanayan is hereby awarded to FAR Chief Inspector Isagani P. Olmedo Jr. for demonstrating commendable athletic skill, discipline, and perseverance in representing the Bureau for Protection in the sport of lawn tennis during the Philippine Uniform Sports League at the Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, achieving 4th place in competition. A round of applause, please. Medalya ng Kasanayan is hereby awarded to FAR Officer 2 Justin John A. Gabor as bronze medalist in the men's individual committee category. Another Medalya ng Kasanayan is also awarded to FAR Officer 2 Mark Philip Pinagita as bronze medalist in the men's individual kata category. Please come forward, sir. Another Medalya ng Kasanayan is also awarded to FAR Officer 2 Jedeme M. Cantilang for securing 5th place and bringing pride to the Bureau of FAR Protection. Her hard work, discipline, and pursuit of excellence embody the values of skill and dedication. Medalya ng Kasanayan is also awarded to the following personnel: FAR Officer 2 Romney T. Hipuson, FAR Officer 2 James D. Laureto, and FAR Officer 1 Renzo M. Cebrano, earning 4th place and bringing honor to the Bureau of FAR Protection. Their dedication to rigorous training and competitive discipline exemplifies the spirit of excellence and professionalism. Medalya ng Papuri is hereby awarded to FAR Officer 1 Neil Adrian O. Dueñas in the sport of badminton during the Philippine Uniform Sports League 2025 at Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City, and Villamor Air Base, Pasay City. Ang medalya ng papuri is also awarded to for Officer 1, Huit Jim M. Salce, and for his skill in representing the Bureau for Protection in the field of Karate-Do. Again, a round of applause for our awardees, ma'am and sir. Thank you very much, and congratulations for bringing pride and honor to our Bureau. Congratulations, ma'am and sir.